Peer-to-peer, P2P, lending. Description: provide loans to individuals or small businesses through P2P lending platforms like Lending Club or Prosper. How to earn interest on the money you lend. Tips: assess the risk level of borrowers carefully before lending. Mutual funds and ETFs. Description: invest in mutual funds or exchange-traded funds, ETFs, through brokers. How to earn: benefit from diversified portfolios and professional fund management. Tips: choose funds that align with your risk tolerance and goals. Index funds. Description: invest in funds that track market indices like S&P 500 or Nifty 50. How to earn: enjoy steady long-term growth with lower fees. Tips: this is a good option for beginners looking for low-maintenance investments.